Hey everyone! Today, we're checking out the VEVOR Retractable Garden Hose Reel, available directly from VEVOR. We wanted to know if this hose reel is actually heavy duty, or if it's just a flimsy piece of junk. After setting it up, we noticed the reel feels sturdy and well built. The retractable mechanism is smooth and doesn't snap back dangerously like cheaper models often do. The hose itself has decent thickness and doesn't kink easily, which is a huge plus for frequent watering or cleaning. Mounting hardware is also included, and once it's up, it stays secure. On the downside, the weight of the unit is noticeable, and installation requires some effort. The hose length is good for small to medium yards, but if you've got a large garden, it might fall short. Also, the retraction speed is strong, so you still need to guide it back in to avoid wear and tear. Overall, this reel is worth considering if you want durability and smooth retraction. It's not perfect for massive spaces, but it's far more being flimsy. This has been How to Nerdy, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.